I don't want no coupon customers, okay? If you a customer and you need to order your shit with coupons, I'm sorry, look, you're not my customer. You ain't got enough money, okay? Because if you trying to get a damn discount, you not counting on tipping shit, okay? I know that for a fact. So, no harm, no foul. You do your thing, but I'm letting you know right now, if you need a discount of any kind, you are not my customer, okay? Because all my customers are paying full price and extra, okay? Matter of fact, they might be paying an upcharge of about 10 to 20%. Matter of fact, them my customers. So if you're not with that, I get it. Times is hard, you know. Inflation, cost of living, I get it. Make a motherfucking sandwich and get the hell out of my way. Because my customers got money. Money! Money, 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 money! They get mad as hell you say that. Hey, my customers ain't broke. They be like, maybe they didn't have enough. Maybe that's all they had. Maybe they should have made a motherfucking sandwich and stopped trying to live up here with the big dogs ordering food they can't afford. Let's keep it 100. This shit is expensive already in the store. So why do you think that if you order it off an app, it's gonna be cheaper? No, it's gonna cost you more, okay? But guess what? It doesn't end there. You still gotta pay to get it brung to you, okay? So if you don't have the funds to facilitate that, I get it. It's okay. Let's go ahead, hop on YouTube. Let's find a tutorial how to make a sandwich and let's watch it together. Cause guess what? I'm broke too. Shit, let's watch it together. And that's all I got to say about it. That's my little rant about broke ass people who do not know how to live within their means. This shit didn't even exist 15 years ago. But you will swear up and down that you deserve to have these nuggets delivered to your door. You will swear up and down that you need this damn Happy Meal for your kids to be happy. So you telling me the kids 15 years ago didn't have no happiness if they didn't get McDonald's delivered to their door? They didn't have no happiness, huh? The kids from 20 years ago, they didn't have no happiness because they had to drive to go get their Happy Meal. It makes no sense. No, them kids will be fine. If you ain't got enough tip, them kids ain't getting no Happy Meal, straight up. And it ain't their fault, but guess what? 20 years ago, them kids got think about how many more Happy Meals these kids is getting per month because of these food delivery apps. Back in the day, you probably got one Happy Meal per month if you was lucky. These days, man, these kids get Happy Meal. These kids know how to grab the phone and order the Happy Meal themselves. They don't even need you. They don't even need you to order it. Your credit card already on there. They don't even need you to order the Happy Meal no more. All they got to do is walk out of their room, put the game controller down, go to the front door, grab their Happy Meal, and go right back in there. That's all they got to do. They don't even need you. These kids is eating 5 to 10 times more Happy Meals per kid than any kid from 2 decades ago. I guarantee it. Kids big as hell. Don't make no sense. Hey, ain't none of my business, though. We finna go grab this pizza. Matter of fact, oh yeah, I ain't on earn by time, so I need this thing to be ready, Freddy. Not now, but right now. Who is this for? A customer? Let me see. Boom, boom. Hit all them buttons. I appreciate y'all listening to me rant too, you know. It's very therapeutic for me, you know, because my baby mama, she don't give a damn. She ain't trying to hear none of this shit I'm talking about. She be like, look, I'm about to go make the dinner for these kids. You better go talk to YouTube if you want her ear to listen. Cause I ain't trying to hear none of that. And I don't blame her. Cause I just be talking. All right, let's grab this pizza. Oh shit. Chill out. I had to allow comments. It was also hidden. My mom just said we have food at home. Nice. Shout out to all the moms cooking that food at home. Oh, copyright.